Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Geary County, northeastern Morris County, southern Waubonsee County, until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles southwest of Alta Vista, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Eskridge, Alta Vista, Dwight, Volland, and Keene. This includes Interstate 70 near mile marker 339. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.